Hello again. Okay, so I'm making some stackable, you can't really see it that well, stackable terrain, stackable stones. Maybe when I get my act together and a better camera, I'll be able to show you how to actually make the stones themselves. But it's XPS foam, and cut it with my utility knife, and then use the wire brush to kind of gouge out some spots on here. Coated it Mod Podge, paint it. I used the watered down green acrylic paint for I think it's forest green or foliage green to make these little spots here. And then I used a wash that I made. Nope, McDonald's doesn't sell that. Anyway, this is one that I didn't wash yet. You notice it looks like it's got some frosting on it. So the idea is to darken it down, as I did here, with the wash. And this wash is a concoction. I don't know how much exact water it is, but I used old paint water. Filled it up to about right there. Right there. Put 30 drops of burnt umber acrylic ink, and then probably 6 drops of black paint. So, oh, and then a drop of dish soap. So that's the recipe. It's not an exact science, but it seems to work for me. And then I take this El Cheapo brush I got from Hobby Lobby, and I just liberally slap it on there. And if I don't like how dark it is, I'll probably go back over it again, or I'll maybe use a darker wash. But that's how you do it. You can see what it does. It gets into those little cracks and just brings back some of the darker shadows. Good stuff. I highly recommend applying a wash if you ever build terrain. You really can't go wrong with it. Just go easy on it if you want to use black, because black will be black. It's very easy to get it to take over your color profile, if you will. So anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.